Jonathan and Lillian, two lost souls in the endless night, met unexpectedly. Their connection, like a shooting star, defied time and death. They stared into each other's eyes, weaving conversations from stardust and memories.
The night is quiet, isn't it, Lillian?
Yes, it's peaceful. A stark contrast to the bustling days of our past lives.
Do you ever miss those days?
Sometimes, but I found a certain serenity in this existence. What about you?
I do miss it, especially the warmth of human connections.
We may not be alive, but our connection now is something special, don't you think?
Indeed. It's an unexpected bond, but one I cherish deeply.
As do I. It's comforting to know we're not alone in this eternal night.
Eternal night, that's a poetic way to put it.
Well, we have an eternity to share our stories and musings.
That we do. And I look forward to every moment. Every conversation with you is a treasure in this timeless void.
And every silence shared is just as precious, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's in the silence that I often feel the closest to you.
That's beautifully said. I feel the same. It's as if our souls communicate beyond words.
I believe they do. After all, we are more than the words we speak.
Indeed. We are memories, feelings, and experiences, all woven into the essence of what we are now.
Speaking of memories, do you have a favorite from your life before?
I do. The day I first rode a horse through the meadows. The sense of freedom was exhilarating. What's yours?
Mine was the day I set sail on the open sea. The horizon was endless, much like our current journey.
It's strange, isn't it? How moments from our past lives can feel so vivid, even now.
Yes, it's as if time has no hold on our past joys and sorrows.
Perhaps that's the gift of our existence. To hold onto the beauty of life, free from the passage of time.
A gift indeed. And I'm grateful to share it with someone who understands.
As am I, Jonathan. As am I.
In life, I was a seafarer. The ocean was my home, and the ship was my kingdom.
That sounds adventurous. I was a lady of leisure, but I always longed for adventure beyond the manor walls.
The sea taught me about freedom and the power of nature. What did your life teach you?
It taught me about the beauty of art and music, and the complexities of social gatherings.
Art and music? I had little time for such things, but I do recall the songs of my crew.
Songs have a way of touching the soul, much like the sea touches the horizon.
Indeed. And now, we share our stories as freely as the wind carries a ship's sails.
Yes, and though we cannot change our past, we can cherish the memories.
Cherish and share. I believe that's what keeps our spirits alive in this realm.
Alive with memories and newfound friendship. It's a unique existence we lead.
Unique and unexpected. But I wouldn't change this spectral journey for anything.
Nor would I. It's an eternal voyage, and I'm glad to have you as my companion.
Do you recall the first time we met here, in this realm?
How could I forget? It was a night much like this one, clear and full of stars.
I remember seeing you by the old oak tree. Your aura was the softest shade of blue.
And you approached me with such gentlemanly grace, despite being a ghost.
It was the most curious feeling, meeting another spirit after so long in solitude.
For me as well. I had wandered these grounds alone, never expecting to find companionship.
That night sparked something within us, a connection that has only grown since.
Yes, a shared understanding and a silent pact to be there for one another.
It's a memory I hold dear, a beacon of light in the perpetual twilight we inhabit.
As do I. It's a cherished moment, a beginning of us in this afterlife.
I am ever grateful for that night. It gave me hope where I thought there was none.
And it gave me a friend, a kindred spirit to share the eternity with.
Then let us continue to create memories, even in this spectral existence.
Let's. For every night we meet, we defy the solitude that death brings.
Together, we are more than mere echoes of the past. We are a story continuing to unfold.
A beautiful story that I am proud to be a part of, with you, Jonathan.
And I with you, Lillian. And I with you,